In this age of complexity, design solutions are becoming more challenging. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or contractor, you're a problem solver, and having the right software for the job should be anything but another challenge. With the AEC Collection, explore design solutions you never thought possible while eliminating tedious workflow inefficiencies. Track, review, and collaborate from design through construction to reduce errors and get to your solution faster. And manage all project data in the cloud. Build on your experience with the tools that you're already familiar with, like AutoCAD, Revit, and Civil 3D, while also having access to other specialized solutions for conceptual design, analysis, detailing, and project coordination. We listened, and now Revit is fine-tuned to the way you work, making it easier to document your design ideas and with more precision, plus dozens of intuitive, time-saving features. Tackle infrastructure projects with Civil 3D enhancements, like new optimizations for pressurized utilities, rail, and civil structure design. With Navisworks Manage, you can simulate, identify, and resolve clash and interference problems before construction begins, saving time on the site and eliminating rework. Whether you're expanding your CAD skills or looking for ways to make the most of your BIM investment, the AEC Collection is your go-to for all aspects of design and build. Subscribe to the collection today and access the ultimate set of AEC tools developed for problem solvers like you.